So we're finding the estimated mean of a group data. And that's what we're asked to do today. Now, in order to do that, the first thing you must do, you must actually find the midpoint of the group data right here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to create a column here for the midpoint. I'm going to label that midpoint, and I'm going to call that X. Now, the midpoint is just the middle of the numbers, or at the middle of the two numbers. So this one will be 10, the other will be 30, 50, 70, 90, and 110. The next bit we must do is we're going to create another column, and this other column will be my frequency times my midpoint. I'm going to call that Fx. I'm just going to be multiplying these together. So this is going to be 100, 600, 1,500, 2,450, 2,250, and the last one is 550. The next thing we must do is we need to find the sum of the frequency, and also we're going to find the sum of Fx. Now, we do not need the midpoint anymore, so I'm just going to put a line through it to avoid confusion. The sum of the frequency, when you add that, and we use this symbol to represent sum of. When you add these, you get 125. Sum of Fx, I'm going to use the symbol here again for the sum of, and Fx will be 7,450. Now, in order to find the estimated mean, I'm just going to come back to the top here. Estimated mean is equal to the sum of Fx divided by the sum of F. So it's the sum of the frequency times the midpoint divided by the sum of the frequency. The sum of Fx is equal, and I'm trying to squeeze that right there, 7,450, and we're going to divide that by 125. Which means that our estimated mean, I'm going to put that right down here, is equal to 59.6. And they did ask to find the estimated mean for the number of minutes, therefore it is 59.6 minutes.